Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Chrome and focusing on the profile icon at the top right. Click it now. You need the account email and password ready. Once done, check whether Chrome Sync is signed in. Make sure you understand which data syncs. If the target account is not listed, choose Add or Manage People and sign in. This gets Chrome to the right state and prevents accidental sync of the wrong profile, so do these first steps carefully. You now switch accounts by selecting the profile or adding a new one. Click the profile icon, pick the account, or choose Add. After signing in, open your Google account page to verify the active email and permissions. Make sure sync settings reflect what you want: bookmarks, passwords, history, because Chrome will merge or separate data based on those choices. If you want a clean separation, create a new profile rather than sharing a Finish by verifying the active account in both Chrome's profile menu and the Google account page. Make sure bookmarks and passwords match expectations. If you need to stop syncing an account, sign out or remove that profile from Chrome settings. This prevents future conflicts. If something goes wrong, clear cache and cookies, restart Chrome, and re-sign in. This refreshes authentication tokens and often resolves mismatch errors. If sync still fails, check that Chrome is up to date and retry the sign-in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.